Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn with notes. To begin, focus on active listening during lectures or while reading. This helps you grasp the core concepts immediately. Then, summarize information in your own words, which significantly boosts understanding and recall. Developing a consistent organizational system, like using a dedicated notebook or digital tool, will make your notes much more effective for future study sessions. This foundational approach sets you up for success. Next, let's explore some popular note-taking methods. The Cornell method, for instance, structures your page into 3 distinct sections for main notes, cues, and a summary. Mind mapping is excellent for visual learners, allowing you to branch out ideas from a central topic. For a straightforward approach, linear notes are simple, listing information sequentially. Experiment with these to discover which method best suits your personal learning style and the subject matter you are studying. Effective learning doesn't stop at taking notes. Organization and review are crucial. Aim to review your notes within 24 hours to significantly reinforce memory and prevent forgetting. Consolidate information from different sources into one comprehensive set of notes for clarity. Employ simple organizational tools like color coding or symbols to highlight key points and make your notes easily scannable. This systematic approach transforms raw information into lasting knowledge. Finally, maximize your learning potential with advanced strategies. One highly effective technique is to teach the material to someone else, using your notes as a guide. This solidifies your understanding. Transform key concepts into flashcards for active recall practice. Regularly testing yourself on the content, perhaps once every few days, helps identify knowledge gaps and strengthens memory retrieval. These methods move beyond passive review, turning your notes into powerful learning tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.